Ever wonder how ignoring Tai Chi could affect your health and daily life? You see, Tai Chi isn't just some ancient Chinese martial art, it's a lifeline. Neglecting it could mean missing out on improved physical health, like boosted balance and flexibility. But that's not all. Your mental health takes a hit too, with increased stress and decreased focus. Think about it, a life less balanced, less flexible, more stressed. Not an appealing picture, right? Now that you know the pitfalls of ignoring Tai Chi, are you ready to dive into some easy tips to get started? Starting Tai Chi may seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. You see, Tai Chi is all about balance, harmony, and flow. And here's the kicker. It's not about performing the movements perfectly. It's about the journey, about making progress, one slow, controlled movement at a time. Think of it as a dance with your own energy, where every gesture, every breath, every step matters. For beginners, start with basic moves, like the wave hands like clouds or the grasp sparrow's tail. Sounds poetic, right? Well, that's the beauty of Tai Chi. Remember, slow, controlled movements are key. It's not about speed, it's about control, about being in sync with your breath. Speaking of breath, it's not just an afterthought, it's a vital part of the practice. So take it easy, be patient with yourself. Perfection isn't necessary, progress is. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your Tai Chi journey starts now. Ready to take your Tai Chi practice to the next level? It's time to delve deeper into this ancient art form, honing your skills and embracing new challenges. As you advance, you'll encounter more complex movements that require precision and grace. But don't be daunted. These intricate forms are your stepping stones to mastery, strengthening your body and mind in unison. Consistency is your greatest ally. Regular practice, even for a handful of minutes each day, can significantly enhance your technique and deepen your understanding of Tai Chi's principles. And remember, Tai Chi isn't just a workout, it's a lifestyle. Integrated into your daily routines, from your morning stretch to your evening wind down. With each passing day, you'll notice subtle improvements. Your balance will improve, your movements will become more fluid, and you'll experience a newfound sense of mental clarity. You'll also reap the physical benefits, from improved posture to increased cardiovascular health. With these advanced tips, you're well on your way to becoming a Tai Chi master. Tai Chi has transformed millions of lives. Will you help it transform more? Picture this, a world where everyone knows the magic of Tai Chi, where it's not just an ancient Chinese practice, but a global health phenomenon. Sharing this video is your chance to make that world a reality. You have the power to help someone out there struggling with their health or battling laziness. Share this video, spread the joy of Tai Chi, and help others embark on a journey towards better health and well-being.